Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from chapter 1, that is plant life, and for today the topic is venation. Now students, you have seen many types of leaves and you have observed that the surface of the leaf, it contains some tube-like structures or some thread-like structures or hair-like structures. Actually, these tube-like structures or hair-like structures on the surface of leaf, they are veins. Okay, this I told you in class also. The tube-like structures or the lines which are present on the surface of leaves, they are known as veins. You can see here, like this is the leaf, this is the midrib, this is midrib. Okay, and from this midrib you have seen certain lines are arising, and these lines, they are known as veins. Now, in today's topic we are going to discuss how these veins, they are arranged on the surface of leaf and what is the name given to that particular arrangement or that particular venation. So, when we talk about the venation, there are two types of venation. First is parallel venation and second is reticulate venation. Now let us see, in parallel venation, the veins on the surface of leaves, they are parallel to each other. This you can observe on the leaf of banana, on the leaf of maize, as well as on the leaf of grass. Okay, so first type is parallel venation, and parallel venation, like this is the leaf of banana. So you can see these lines, okay, and these lines, these are parallel. Okay, that's why in such type of leaves we say that the venation is parallel venation. You have seen the leaf of the maize, you can see this type of venation, these lines are parallel, they are not intersecting each other. So parallel venation is the type of venation in which veins are parallel to each other. So in this venation, veins are parallel to each other. Okay, example is grass, maize, okay, banana. So the leaf of grass, the leaf of maize, the leaf of banana, they show parallel venation. Means in the leaf of these plants, the veins, they are parallel to each other. Okay. Now the second type is reticulate venation. Okay. Second type is reticulate, reticulate, reticulate venation. Now see, in this type of venation, the veins, they form a net-like structure or a network of veins over the entire surface of the leaf. Okay, like in case of rose also. Okay, they are forming a network over the entire surface of the leaf. The veins are not parallel, but they are forming what? They are forming a network. They are forming a net-like structure. Okay, the veins are distributed over the entire surface of the leaf. Okay, like see, this is leaf, this is midrib, and this, it is showing the what? Reticulate venation. You can see the veins, they are not parallel, but they are forming, or they are irregularly distributed over the entire surface of the leaf. So such type of venation in which the veins are forming a network of veins over the entire surface of the leaf is known as reticulate venation. Now example is mango, guava, of these plants shows reticulate venation. So this is all regarding venation. Okay, venation is the mode of arrangement of veins on the surface of leaf. Venation in leaves are of two types. One is parallel venation and the other is reticulate venation. Thank you.